I don't think so. Oh, I am. I'm on, bro. What the fuck? I thought it was a rock.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Play safe, play safe. Get closer to the rail. Fuck yeah, dude, about time.
It's fucking big too, dude.
That could be a grouper.
He felt like he's going down. Yeah.
Get him in.
Fucking trying, dude.
Yeah, bro, he's swimming against the current. So that's crazy.
Yeah.
Bro, what the fuck?
Dude, I don't know, man.
Did you feel like a drum?
It could be. Yeah. Should I tighten my drag?
If he's taking you that way, it's going to be easier to land. Be careful with the rocks.
Yeah. I mean, every time I reel down, I lose it.
Huh?
Every time I reel down, he pulls drag just as much.
Try to work him in slow. Be careful.
Holy fuck.
Dude, is this nigga gonna spool you?
What'd you say?
Is this motherfucker gonna spool you?
No. Oh. Well, my drag's not that tight. So if it gets that close, I'll just lock it down and...
You for 40?
Huh?
You got 40 on?
50. But that's what I was using with that Snook. So if it's a Snook, it's probably gonna break soon. Unless I got him good.
Play it smart. I hope it's not some shark.
That's not a shark. No, oh, there we go. He's tired now. Yeah, he's tired. Yeah, he's just coming in.
Watch out, be careful.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, it was dragging on. Is it on the rock right now? I think it might be. Here, wait, grab my line. It's right next to you. Sorry. Is it on the rock? What'd you say? I'm coming.
Hand me your rod, Come down. Yep. Watch out. If he's on the rock, open your head.
I don't think so. No, not anymore. what the fuck this is, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah, he's right there. He's on the top. I don't know. He just broke the surface, so I don't know how the fuck he's still fighting. Dude.
This might be a +40 plus. It is Snook.
Dude, if this is a fucking snook, this is the biggest snook I've ever seen in my life. Yeah.
Try to avoid doing those beams because if you get on a rock or it's gone.
Oh my god. Dude, I don't know. I'm gonna tighten my drag though a little bit.
Now we sit back up.
Oh, this is a grouper.
It's a grouper, bro. Get him in. Holy fuck. Dude, you want me to hold it for you while you land him?
You can try. Or you land them. You know better than I do. Or do you want me to go down there?
Fuck. Holy shit, man. Holy shit. Go underneath the rock.
Oh, dude, he's hooked.
Oh, bro, watch out. Dude, I don't know how the fuck we're going.
Here. Yeah. Wait, that's good. That could be good.
See that line?
All right, that's a good spot for him.
Oh my god, he's barely hooked, bro. He's barely hooked.
Be careful. Dude, no fucking way. That's right. That's a big boy right there.
No, that's
Here, I got it. Don't worry about it.
You got it?
Yeah, I'll get it. Here, take my rod.
Holy shit, bro. Bro, you gotta lift them. You gotta figure out a way to lift this fucker. Watch out with the hook, bro. Watch out. What? If you have fucking lift that bitch up. Come on, bro. You go to the gym. Let's go. Let's go. Point your camera down. There you go.
Holy fuck!
Holy fuck, bro.
God! Holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. Keep him right there, keep him right there. Watch out, bro, watch out. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my, no!
Did it pop out?
Dude, it popped out, bro. What?
Did it break?
Frayed the fuck up.
Fuck.
I don't know if I can get over there.
I'll have to go out. I'll have to go out.
Well, that's a nice one. My butt's wet.
Come here, buddy.
That's a big girl, bro. Holy shit. I can take her
Oh
on.
my god, yes please.
I'm gonna flip the bail over.
Special for you. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Zero.
32. 33.
33. Woo-hoo. Holy fuck, that's my biggest snook ever.